Nate, have you ever seen a piece of food that's pretending to look like another piece of food?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what have you seen?
Like I seen maybe on TV, maybe I seen like a burger but made out of cake.
A burger that's made out of cake? That's exactly this. Now, this isn't a new thing. People have been making foods that look like other foods for a long time. And that's exactly what we're gonna do with our recipe today. Today, we're gonna make pea pods out of puff paste. Now, people probably won't be tricked into thinking these are actually peas, but it's gonna be a delicious, really fun recipe. So, are you ready to get started?
I was born ready.
All right, so to make peas of puff paste, all you need to do is take cherries, but you can use any preserved fruit. You can use apples, strawberries, whatever you like, and place them in a row on your sheet of puff pastry. Then use a knife, cut it, and then fashion it to look like a pea pod. And then we're gonna fry it in butter.
Ooh, butter.
Let's get started.
Pea pods of puff paste come to us from MS Codex 631 in Penn University's collection. This fun little receipt is a great option to make together with your family, and if you don't wish to fry your pea pods, they can easily be baked instead. To seal your edges, you can use a crimping tool like us, or a fork will work just as nicely. It's melting.
Look at that. Sizzling.
We'll do 3 at first. All right, good sir. Here comes one.
Already,
All right. Here comes another.
Alright.
Our last one.
Okay. Is there any more coming?
Once they're finished cooking, toss them in sugar, or we also liked having them dusted with powdered sugar. These pea pods are delicious, and you'll have no trouble getting everyone to eat their peas with these on the table.